it's a great year, 2025. Of course, here, Mobile World Congress, but in general in the world, because we're driving and showcasing here with 100 partners how the next wave of mobile innovation really changes the situation for consumers. We have lots of consumer cases, but more importantly, on enterprises and businesses. So think about the complete solution for a manufacturer like JLR. They are using 5G to connect their tools, their processes, even precise positioning indoor, and they are actually consuming those services over network APIs. We do similar things in the hospital area, complete solutions, asset tracking, authorization and access management, and also in the first responder spaces. So those are just three examples where 5G is now at the core of digitalization of enterprises, but also government services. So it's about businesses this year. It's about how enterprises use this as a business transformation tool. So network slices have been around. Now they can be dynamically set up where you need it and when you need it. And they are also set up end to end. So look at the Ericsson fixed wireless access solution for small, medium businesses, where the Ericsson X20 fixed wireless access CPE or router comes with not just 5G with network slicing, it also comes with a complete security solution, a SaaS solution, so that security is guaranteed end to end. And I think that goes for many of these use cases. The industry is coming together now when it comes to network capabilities that are available. It may be bandwidth on demand, latency, it may be authentication, security functions, positioning, and even more. And since they have been available in networks for quite some time, but not presented to developers or applications in a consistent way, the effort that we've taken over the last months, you could say, together with operator partners that now was announced as the Aduna venture, that is actually making great progress now around the world. So in many parts of the world where we have advanced networks, advanced 5G networks, operators are coming together. Let's take a look at US, where Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile are all part of this Aduna venture, and you see similar things in India and elsewhere around the world. Networks, being critical infrastructure, need to have guardrails for what you do in country, what you do on a global basis. Enterprises have their own requirements for security and privacy and so forth. And I think that as an industry, we have the role to take these requirements very seriously. And I think we are also in a good position to do that, both locally in terms of network serving local markets, could be in the enterprise space or government space, or even nationally critical infrastructure for public safety, for example. And all of these follow not just open standards, interoperable and open standards, but also a security architecture that guarantees security and privacy by design. So in Ericsson, we have a framework guaranteeing secure and reliable connectivity with privacy and with all these ethical concerns taken care of. We are showing many businesses, use cases here, where you see how industries are coming together. They are digitalizing based on a common platform of 5G. Of course, it's not only 5G, it's also AI, it's also resilient cloud infrastructure. But when these three trends or these three domains come together, that's when you can see the real change. But in all these areas, there is evolution. On the network side, it's of course about advanced connectivity, it's about slicing, it's about edge compute, it's about doing things to create a better user experience, lower energy consumption. All of these things are evolving networks towards ubiquitous connectivity everywhere. And on the AI side, we're moving from early Gen AI to AI robotics, we're moving into AI agents, and that of course changes also not just how our industry is defined, but how we can help other industries to digitalize. So I think these are relatively adjacent or near sort of core to our industry development that are being brought on board on the digital platform. If you look a little bit further out, of course, the whole robotics areas, even moving into quantum is an exciting area, because over the coming years we will see phenomenal innovation, not just in our industry, the telecom industry. We'll see a lot of innovation in adjacent industries that ultimately will enhance also the part that we are doing, the digital platform, the foundation for all of this.